this video and want to see more, then please subscribe to the channel.
So welcome to a nice sunny May day in the UK, back in my XKR. It's been off the road for a couple of months now, having some work done, and it's taken a lot longer than I'd anticipated, for a few reasons. Main reason is I've been working away an awful lot, so haven't really had much time at home to progress the work that I was doing. I'll show you the progress in a minute, and I'll also show you the latest issue that I've got. It's not one that I'd anticipated, and it's one that's probably quite unusual as well. To give you a quick update of what I've done a full refurbishment of the front suspension components and bushes, replaced the bushes. I've taken off the cross member underneath the engine as well, and changed the engine mounts and some of the bushes under there too. I haven't replaced the shocks and springs, although they are getting tired, they're getting a little bit old. The car being 17 years old, I think they're the originals, but they still are serviceable, but that's something that has to be on my horizon at some point. I've also done some work on some rust. There was some rust on the main frame at the front, which is not unusual. It's hidden behind the cross member, so I had to cut out on both sides, or rectangle, maybe 4 inches by 6 inches. So I've welded in 2 plates on either side. I've wax oiled inside the main frame because it's a box section, so I wax oiled that before I put everything back. Obviously everything's rust treated to try and stop any additional rust, and I've undersealed on the outside as well. So not only has the repair gone a little bit slower than I intended, but for the same reasons, I'm way behind on the editing of any videos. I've done a couple of short videos over the past few weeks to get them out, but the main ones that I'm doing, hopefully I can get to editing them pretty soon. So I'll just give you a quick sneak peek of where we are at the moment, and I'll show you the problem that I've encountered, and not quite sure how long it's going to take for me to get around this problem. So as you can see, everything's refreshed, looks good, it's all painted, all bushes changed, and any rust under there has been treated and tended to, and everything's all coated, undersealed, protected. So still got the side moulding to go on here, got the wheel arch liner to go just here as well, brake caliper, and the wheel. Take you around the other side. A little bit further on this side, still got the wheel arch liner to go on this side. But here's my problem. Up in there we have a bird's nest, and there's a little robin in there that I've named Big Bird, and she is currently sitting on some eggs. So I put some seed down there for them. I believe they normally eat insects and worms, but can eat fruit and seed as well. But I've decided I'm not going to disturb it. I'm going to wait until the chicks fledge, and then I'll look at removing the nest.
So hopefully I'll be releasing a few more videos soon.